In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Roblox on a PS5. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Roblox, and then you want to go ahead and press on this button over here that does say sign in. Now, you need to go ahead and enter in your Roblox username, your password, or you guys could also go ahead and use this QR code towards the right side so that you're able to do the process on your phone. So let's say, for example, you have your username and your password saved on your phone. Then I recommend that you scan the QR code with your camera, and then from there, you should be able to go ahead and log in. But if for whatever reason you're running into issues whenever you're trying to log in or something like that, then go ahead and press on this option that does say forget password or username, and this will basically help you out, make sure that you're able to log in. So if you ever are in the event that you forgot your Roblox password or username, feel free to go ahead and actually use this option. You will need to go ahead and enter the email for your Roblox account or the phone number in order to actually recover it. But now let me show you guys how to actually log in using your mobile device. All right, guys, so then all you want to do is you want to take out your camera application and you just want to go ahead and scan the QR code. Then from there, it is going to open up the Roblox application, and then there you go. It will now say login successful. So literally, you're able to do it with the click of a button thanks to the Roblox application. So I personally recommend that you guys sign in using your mobile device and the camera feature. But anyways, guys, from here, you're able to go ahead and play Roblox like you normally would. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.